And any songs or poems that have especially resonated with you?
I think Iz Dos Gesele, because it talks about like trying to go back and like find things, and I feel like that was one of the first Yiddish songs that I learned, and I think it like resonated with me just because I've been trying to go back and like find like our Yiddish, our family's like identity, and also like it's hard because like as much fun as Yiddish is, it's sad because like it's always gonna remind me of like the people that are not around anymore. And so like every time I go back and try to find something, it's like I'm reminded that there's like nothing left. But I also think it's a really pretty song, so lots of layers.
And what does the title mean?
Where's the little street? It's about a man going, or a woman, I don't know, there's different versions, but going back to the little village and like everything is kind of destroyed.
And they're looking for a particular little street.
Yeah. And then it like goes on, it's like, where is that little house? Where is that school? Where is the river? And then they're like, I go inside the house and all that remains is a dream. So